Here we go, first dinner. They dove right in. Look at that. Guess they were ready. They'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow. Look at them, diving right in. And Venus wants some too. Nope, here we come. Ripped off all the feet. Yum, yum, yum.
Call 1-800-917-8947. That's 1-800-917-8947. 1-800-917-8947. Welcome to the new New York State, where cutting taxes for families and businesses is our business. We've reduced taxes and lowered costs to see
Look at that little messy face. Look at that messy face. Wow. I know somebody's mother was going to have a ball licking your face. Look at that. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Look, this one too. Look at that head. Oh my goodness. These are little messy eaters. Yum, yum. Yeah.
Now you can get your new teeth in a single day and change your life thanks to Clear Choice Dental Implant Centers, America's #1 choice.
The reason that we went to Clear Choice was that they offered the service in one day. I smile all the time. And I have beautiful teeth. Are you kidding? My son was like, wow, Mom. You know, that's amazing. They look awesome. I mean, who can go and get teeth like this in one day?
Call now to receive your free consultation and learn how Clear Choice can change your life in a single day with permanent teeth that look and feel like natural teeth.
They've changed our lives. They make me like who I see here.
Call now to book your no-obligation free consultation or schedule online at clearchoice.com.
Women are better divers than men.
I'm the laziest, absolute worst diver.
Women have more control. You know, they weigh things out.
Counting, weighing, measuring. No, and no.
Just like a Labrador, getting all the crumbs off the ground. Look at this one.
I just call Nutrisystem.
Because it works.
Because it's easy.
Get 4 perfectly portioned meals a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert for less than $11 a day.
I pick my meals, they show up at the door, I eat them. Simple as that.
Just open the box, eat the food, and lose the weight.
I lost 32 pounds on food.
What a mess.
I lost
But look at how clean their plate is.
try this on our size.
You win.
And this one's still licking the feet.
Call now and save up to 50%. Plus, ship